Now this is recording. Yeah, good morning. Today we are discussing about basic mathematics. In this case, first I'm giving algebraic identities. What are they? Frequently we are using these formulas. A cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube. A plus b minus a square minus ab plus b square. Next, a plus b plus c whole square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus CA. This one you can write like this, sigma A square plus 2 times sigma AB combinations. Next, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into minus AB minus BC minus CA. So this one you can write another way. How to write C? Half into A plus B plus C into A minus B whole square, B minus C whole square, C minus A whole square. Fifth one, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So frequently we are using these formulas. Now, modulus of x. What is another name? That is absolute value of x. Modulus of x or absolute value of x. Suppose x is any real number. So modulus of x is denoted by like that. And how to define this one? Modulus of x is equal to, if x is positive, then mod x becomes x. X is negative, so this is minus x. Generally, some people are confusing. See, modulus of 5 is how much? Here 5 is greater than 0, so output is what? 5. Modulus of minus 4 is how much? Here minus 4 is negative, that's why minus of minus 4. So modulus of minus 4 is how much? 4 only. In this case, if I am drawing the graph C, carefully see. X positive is the case is coming. X negative, this is the case. In both cases, what is the meaning? Y is equal to x, and this is y is equal to minus x. So this is the graph of y is equal to modulus of x. That is the meaning. Let us discuss what are the properties of these cases. So once again, I'm giving modulus of minus 7 by 2 is how much? 7 by 2. Examples. Modulus of minus root 2. It is root 2, like that. Now, properties of modulus of x. So in this case, I'm taking let a is greater than 0. Property number 1. Modulus of x is equal to a. Then x can be what here? Either a or minus a, plus a or negative a. Just now I'm giving an example. Modulus of minus 5. Modulus of plus 5. That is the meaning. X can be plus or minus a. So example, if you want, you can take example. Modulus of x is equal to 6. X can be either positive or negative 6. That's the meaning. Any doubts? Ask me. Modulus of x is equal to a means x can be either positive or negative. That is the meaning. But here in this case, that's why I'm giving a is positive. Don't say modulus of x is equal to -2. That is meaningless. Yeah, ask me. What is the doubt?
No, sir. You said ask any doubt, so I wanted to say no, but I didn't know whether to ask.
Okay, no problem. Doubt is there, ask me. Any doubt?
No, 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 no.
Okay. Suppose modulus of x greater than a. What is the formula? Modulus of x greater than a means what here? X is greater than a or x is less than -a. How to write this one here? That is x belongs to -∞ to -a union a to infinity. Take the number line. Modulus of x greater than 3 is, suppose dear students, what is the meaning here? Or to take number line -3 and 3. So in this case, what the result is coming here? X less than -3 means what here? This is the region. X greater than 3 means this is the region. Towards plus infinity, towards minus infinity. That is the meaning. That means x belongs to what? -infinity to -3 union 3 to infinity. Property number 3. Modulus of x greater than or equal to a means what here? X belongs to including. That is the meaning. Including means what? Like that, see. Minus a and a both are including these solutions. So in this case, I'm giving clarity. These 3 is what here excluded in this case. But in the same diagram, if I'm taking -3, 3, in this case, this is 3 is what dotted circle included. That is the meaning. Towards plus infinity, towards minus infinity, this is the region. Like that. Example, I'm writing C. Example, modulus of x greater than or equal to 2, for example. What is the meaning? X less than or equal to -2, or it means x belongs to -infinity to -2, closed interval union, closed interval to 2 to infinity. So please observe this one. Example 2 and 3, property C. Based on these properties, I'm giving examples like that. Property number 2 means what? Open interval I'm taking. Property number 3 means what? Closed interval means in this case included, in this case excluded. That is the difference. Now property number 4. After complete this one, I will say this point, don't worry. What is the property number 4? Modulus of x less than a. Then what is the result is coming? X is lies between -a to a. That's the meaning. So take the number line -a, a. Once again, I'm saying open interval means what here? Excluded. That is the meaning. Towards plus infinity. Sorry, open interval means what? Just a minute. This is the region is coming. Open interval. This is the region. How to write another way? X belongs to open interval -a comma a. Example. Modulus of x less than 10 means what? Anyone? -10 less than x less than 10. Or x belongs to -10 comma 10. That's the meaning. So take in this case any number, that's fine. Suppose take x is equal to -9. Modulus of -9. Yes, 9 less than 10 satisfied. Take 0, 0 less than 10. Take minus 2. Yes, 2 less than 10. That is the meaning. 5. Modulus of x less than or equal to a. What is the case? It means x belongs to closed interval minus a comma a. Example 1. What is the meaning? That is the case. Once again, so please revise these formulas. So I am asking one questions. Some questions. Tell me anyone. How to solve? Solve. Question number 1. Modulus of x minus 5 less than 2. 2x minus 1 greater than 3. How to solve these models? What is the case? The solution? So in this case, how to solve modulus of x minus 5 means consider x less than a. Where is the formula? Property number 4 we have to use. What is the case? Minus a less than x less than a. So here also, what the logic is coming? Minus 2 less than x minus 5 less than 2. Here x is nothing but x minus 5. That is the meaning. Now I need only x. Solve the question means what? Find the value of x. So we have to remove minus 5 means what? Adding plus 5 on both sides. So minus plus 3 less than x less than 7. Then answer is what? Open interval 3, 7. How do you know whether it is correct or wrong means what here? So take some values lies between 3 to 7. Any value. Take 3.2, verify. The value should be less than 2. Take x is equal to 5. Yes, 0 less than 2. Take x is equal to 4. 4 minus 5 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is almost 1. 1 less than 2. Yes, satisfied. So based on this one, we discussed more than 2 problems. See, one more question. Once again, x by 2 plus 1 greater than 7. Question number 2. Modulus of 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 10. Like that. How to solve these models? Or less than or equal to 5. Better. Anyone? Bharati, how to solve? Question number 1. Modulus of x by 2 plus 1 greater than 7.
Yes, sir.
So, in this case, what is the suitable formula?
Third property.
Yes.
Greater than a, then it will belong to minus infinity to minus a.
Yes.
Union a to infinity.
Good. So this one I'm writing, see, x by 2 plus 1 less than minus 7 or greater than 7. So minus 7 minus 1, x by 2 less than minus 8, x by 2 greater than 6. Both sides multiply with 2 on both sides. Why? Because divide with 2 means what? 2 is positive. Inequality doesn't change. That means x less than minus 16 or x greater than 12. What is the meaning? Union 12 to infinity.
Yes, sir.
What about coming to this case C? Just whenever you are going to solve the question, first write the suitable formula, appropriate formulas. Modulus of x less than or equal to a means what here? Minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Minus 5. What is the value of x? 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5. How much? Adding 3 on both sides. So this is minus 2 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 8. Again, divide with 2 means what? Minus 1 less than or equal to like that.
4.
Verify. Take any value lies between minus 1 to 4. Answer is coming or not, check it. That is the answer.
Yes.
So in this case, some students are confusing. 2 less than 3. So multiply with minus means what the result is coming here?
Minus 2 greater than minus 3.
Inequality is also changing. Be careful. These type of models are very, very important. Now, one more model. See. Question number 1. Question number 2. These are the DPP questions. Anyone practice these questions? 1 minus y less than or equal to 3 by 2. 3. So in this case, I'm explaining example 5. Modulus of x less than minus 2 means x is what here? No solution. Why? Because modulus of x less than a means what the condition is required? A should be positive. But here a is given negative value. So modulus of x cannot be less than negative value. Modulus of x means always positive. So it is always positive means what here cannot be less than negative value.
Yes.
Example 5, no solution. No solution means we can write x belongs to empty set. So these are the models you can practice whenever you're getting free time, dear students. Now, okay. Next one, same property. Generally, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. If I'm giving you. In this case, how to find roots, you know very well. What is the degree? 2.
It's a polynomial.
It's a quadratic equation. It's not a polynomial, quadratic equation. So 2 roots
Yeah.
are possible. You know what are there? How you can apply the formula, you can factorize them. X is equal to 2 comma 3. But same question, if I'm asking x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0 or less than 0, less than or equal to 0 means how many solutions are possible here? There are finite solutions. X minus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 4. Okay, fine. But same question, x minus 4 less than 0 means what is your answer? Infinite solutions. So now we are discussing about inequalities. Concept is what here? Inequalities. See. In this case, just these are the what? Inequalities. So in this case, talking about modulus. Suppose x greater than 2. What is the meaning? X belongs to 2 to infinity. X less than minus 3b. What is the meaning? Minus infinity to minus 3. In the same way, x square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. Like that. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 greater than 0. So such type of problems, how to solve? Let us discuss. Be ready. Dear students, I am taking alpha less than beta. Of course, number line. The alpha beta means two numbers. One is smaller than, one is smaller, one is greater, biggest number. Now, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0. What is the meaning? Alpha less than x less than beta. Example, x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. What is the meaning? Every time this part is converting to 0. See, 2, 3. Simple. You can use the formula. If you know formula, okay. If you are forgetting how to identify. So strictly less than 0 means for these are excluded. Okay. Take more than 3, any number, 4, 5, 6, up to 100, 3.1, anything, put this value in this equation, this expression. How much coming here? X minus 2 into x minus 3. What is your answer? Consider this is the f of x. What is the f of 4? Cos 2 is coming. Take any one number lies between 2 to 3. Like 2 to 3 means for 2.1, 2.2, 2.9, 5 by 2. Put these values. You can get negative. Less than 2 means what? Plus. So dear students, what we here in this case, plus means you can start from above. See, I'm drawing the curve. So plus means upwards, down means, minus means downwards, again plus means upwards. So symbol is what here, negative means what? In this case, you have to take this region. That means x belongs to what? Open interval 2, 3. Otherwise, use directly formula. Once again, I'm giving one more example. What is that? See, same model, x plus 2 into x minus 4 less than 0. Dear students, take the number line, everyone. Again, what are the zeros is coming here? Suppose you equate into 0, x is equal to minus 2, 4. So please identify these numbers on the number line. One is minus 2, another one is 4. Strictly less than 0 means what? These are excluded. Fine. Take more than any one number more than 4. Like 4.1, 100, 20, 20, any number. Put here in f of x. What is your answer? Positive. Take any one number lies between minus 2 and 4. Minus 2 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3.9, minus 1.9. Take any number, that value is coming negative. Take it. This is plus. So the curve is starting from upwards. Plus means, minus means downwards. Plus means again upwards. In this question, what is the given? Negative means, where is the symbol minus? This is the region. That means x belongs to what? Open interval minus 2 to 4. So this concept is called as wavy curve method. In your CBSE, this is called as a linear programming. That's all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Today I will discuss at least 5 to 10 questions. We have to discuss these models. Now see, till now discussing about only one property number 1 only. Okay, this wavy curve method applicable for any properties like that. See, first let me complete properties. After that we discuss. That is fixed. Alpha less than beta 1. X minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0 means, dear students, see, 2. Alpha less than or equal to x less than or equal to beta. What you are observing? First one is excluded. Second one is included. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0. What is the meaning? X less than alpha or x greater than beta because of this one. Fourth one, x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equal to 0 or Now I'm giving one example. See, first I'm going to discuss easy level questions, very dead easy, basics. I'm giving solve x square, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So listen carefully. What is the first step? What to do? First of all, you should factorize them. How much coming here? Minus 5x means minus 4x minus x plus 2. That means 2x x minus 2. That means 2x minus 1 into. Check it whether it is correct or wrong. Minus 4 minus 1. Yes. So equate into 0 means what? What we are getting? Zeros. One is 1 by 2, another one is 2. Equate in 0. Fine. Inequality is given greater than or equal to 0 means take the number line. Okay. 1 is 1 by 2. You know how to represent. Greater than or equal to 0 means roots are included. That is the meaning. See carefully. Fine. Now, take any one number more than 2. More than 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. Put these values in the given question. Always getting positive. Take any one number lies between 1 by 2 to 2. Suppose take 1. 1 is there in this region. 1 by 2 to 2. Yes, it is there. Put x is equal to 1. 1 means how much? 2. But in this case, negative. So plus into minus means negative is coming. Take any number. This number 0. In this region, 0. Minus 1, minus 2. What the result is coming? Plus is coming, see. I'm explaining, see. Put x is equal to minus 1. This is negative. Here or not? Minus 1 is how much? This is negative. Negative to negative, positive. Now, how to start the graph? Plus means what here? The curve is coming from upwards. Minus means downwards. Plus means upwards. So in this case, which region we have to take? That is the question. Which region? Greater than or equal to 0 means positive. That is the region. What is your answer? Towards up to minus infinity means minus infinity to 1 by 2. In this case, we have to take open or closed? Closed. Union. Here also closed to infinity. That is the answer. See, I am adding one more question. Get ready, dear students. Another question. Example. Same question. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 less than 0. Then what is your answer? Where is the minus? Like this one, open interval. Strictly less than 0 means open interval. 1 by 2 comma 2. That is the answer. One more question.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So in this case, strictly less than 0. In this case, greater than or equal to 0. That's why closed. In this case, open interval. Okay, these questions, I'm giving one more question. Model C. Now see, I'm increasing the level. Dear students, how to solve? X minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3, increasing now. Okay, now talking about cubic inequalities, any degree. Greater than, suppose, strictly less than 0. Question number 1. I'm increasing the level. What is the first step? Anyone? What is the first step? Equate into 0. Suppose we are getting what are the zeros? X is equal to 1, minus 2, 3. What to do here? Take the number line. From left to right means what? First one is minus 2, 1, 3. Now in this case, we have to identify which one is included, excluded. See the question. Strictly less than 0 means these are all the values are excluded. So please help me, dear students. Which one is plus, which one is minus in this particular region? Choose any one number more than 3. Then what is your answer? More than 3 means suppose take 5. 5 minus 1, positive. 5 plus 2, positive. 5 minus 3, positive. Finally, product is positive. Take any one number lies between 1 and 3. 1 and 3 means in this case what here? Suppose take 2. Yes. 2 means how much? Positive, positive, negative. Finally,
Negative.
output is negative. That is the meaning. Choose any number. If you want, take x is equal 1.5, 1.6, 1.77. Any number, take 2.5. Whatever it may be, finally product is negative. Choose any one number lies between -2 to 1 plus. I verify. -2 less than -2 means what? Negative. Now please help me. How to draw the graph from right hand side? Plus means upwards, minus means downwards, plus means upwards, minus means downwards, dear students. Now come to the question. What is your answer? Less than 0 means which region? That is the target. Green color is the seeded region. Please up to this one. That is the answer. Where? Starting from minus infinity to -2. Now again my question is, here we have to keep open interval or closed interval?
Open interval.
Yes. Union. Again, open interval 1, 3. That is the answer. I am adding one more same question. I am adding. See, x minus 1 into x plus 2, x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Can anyone say what is the answer? Greater than or equal
1
to
minus 3.
No.
No, x1. No.
See carefully. I get same diagram, no? Greater than or equal to 0 means what here? Included. That's what I'm saying. Included. Included. So this is the plus, minus, just what we discussed. What the graph is coming? Same as usual. In this case, which part we have to take? Plus means this is the region. Greater than or equal to 0 means x belongs to closed interval -2 to 1. Union 3 to infinity. That is the answer. So same model I'm giving. So same question you can ask how many ways? 4 ways. One is less than 0, less than or equal to 0, greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So same model I'm giving, one more model significantly. Solve x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 7, less than or equal to 0. These are the models I'm giving, dear students. 1, 2, x square minus 4x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. 3, x square minus 6x. So this one I'm giving carefully, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 less than 0. Fourth one, x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 less than greater than 0. See, if you are observing question number 1 and 2, directly you can solve. But question number 3 and 4, what to do here, dear students? In this case, we should factorize them. That is the concept. We should factorize them. 10th class, it is coming up. By using factor theorem, you can solve it. A synthetic division method, Horner's method. That is called as Horner's method. Factorize them, whatever you do, simplify. Now I'm discussing different models. See, again. X minus 1 by x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. X minus 1 by x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. What is the case? As usual, find the zeros. Generally, x is equal to 1 comma minus 2. But here, see, be careful. I'm explaining. Take the number line. Less than or equal to 0. One is what here? Minus 2. Another one is 1. Be careful. See. So in this case, less than or equal to 0 means put x is equal to 1 means yes, satisfied. So this is including, but minus 2 is what here, dear students, that is excluding. Why? If I'm taking x is equal to minus 2, then the whole inequality is undefined. That's why at x is equal to minus 2 undefined, and x is equal to 1 is defined. Be careful. Then 1 is included, 1 is excluded. Fine, as usual. What do we have? X minus 1 by x
Sir,
plus
I
1.
didn't understand why minus 2 is excluded.
If I'm taking x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is how much? 1 by
0.
yeah, 1 by 0 undefined. That's why cannot take x is equal to minus 2. Okay, fine. But I can take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means what? 0. Yes, yeah, 0 is possible because less than or
Yes.
equal to 0. Now, as usual,
Yeah.
find out more than 1. What is your answer in this case? More than 1 means take x is equal to 1.1, 2, 3, 4. How much? That is positive. Take any one number lies between minus 2 to 1. Suppose 0. What is your answer? Minus is coming. Less than minus 2 means take x is equal to minus 10. Obviously, how much is coming? Positive. Minus minus cancel, see. Minus 11 by minus 9. Negative, negative cancel, positive. Now, what is the graph? Tell me. Graph is coming upwards or downwards? Upwards. Again downwards. Again upwards. What is the kind of question is given? Less than or equal to 0 means what? Negative region you have to take. What is that? X belongs to open interval minus 2 to closed interval 1. That is the answer. Yeah, same model. See, same model I'm giving. Get ready. Solve. X plus 2 by x plus 3 greater than 0. For example, then how to solve this one? What is the first term here? What is the first step? I mean, first equal to 0 means
Find
what are
the
the zeros? What are the zeros? X is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. Take the number line. First one is coming what?
minus 2.
Minus
Minus
3.
3 and then minus 2.
Minus 2. Strictly greater than 0 means what here? All are excluded, no doubt.
Open interval.
Open interval. Okay. Now take more than minus 2. Means like x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? Take any one number lies between minus 3 to minus 2. Means what? Minus plus. Now, what is your answer? Plus means downwards, again upwards. Greater than 0 means what? X belongs to We should take this is the region. Minus infinity to minus 3, open interval, union minus 2 to infinity. That is the region. Same question, less than or equal to 0 means what? X belongs to closed interval is coming. Less than or equal to 0 means. One more model. Any doubts, Bharati?
No, sir.
So one more model. I told you, number of problems practice is required. See, number of problems. 2x minus 1 into 3 minus x by what would be our sum? X plus 2 less than 0. Tell me. See, in this
X is equal to
what would you? First of all, before solving,
half.
in this case, see, x minus 3 format is not there missing. See, x minus 1 okay, x plus 2 okay, but 3 minus x is there. Take minus as a common factor. What is the result is coming? Take minus as a common factor means what? 2x minus 1
X minus 3.
minus. So multiply with minus on both sides. What is your answer? Greater than 0. Multiply with minus means what? Inequality changing.
Changes.
Yeah, obviously. Now, again, what is the first step? Find the roots. What are they? One is minus 2, 1 by 2, 3. Take the number line. How to represent? First one is what? Minus 2, 1 by 2, 3. Now we are talking about this is the question, not this one. This is the question. In this question, take more than 3 any number. Take any one number more than 3. What is your answer? More than 3 means what is your answer?
Sign. Plus.
Plus. 1 by 2 to 3. Suppose take x is equal to possible. X is equal to means how much? Negative is coming because positive, negative, positive. Next, plus. Next, minus is coming. Check it. Now, what the reason is coming? Plus means what here? Upwards. Again, downwards, upwards, downwards. What is the question? Greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means which part you have to take plus sign. That means this is the region. So how to represent? Remember, the strictly greater than 0 means what here? These values are excluded. Lot of practice is required here. Minus 2, 1 by 2. Union 3 to infinity. That's the question. Now increasing the level once again. See, x square plus 1 into x minus 2 by x plus 3 less than 0. Is very that easy. Don't confuse. So first of all, what you are observing in this question, see, for any values of x, what the output is coming?
Positive. Plus minus.
X square positive, plus 1 is also positive. Entire value is positive. So forget this value. Remaining cases you have to focusing. What is that? X is equal to and minus 3. So as usual, take the number line. Minus 3, 2. More than 2 means positive, negative, positive. And this is what here? Both are excluded. Why? Strictly less than 0. That is the meaning. Same model I am giving. See. Solve. x square minus 4 into x plus 3 by x minus 5 less than 0. 1, 2. X square minus 9 into x plus 1 by x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. See, both are different models. Don't confuse here. Both are completely different models. See, these type of models, what we have, first we should factorize them. How to factorize them? See, x minus 2 whole divided by what is the first step?
Find the zeros. 2 minus 2.
Like that. Take the number line. First one is what?
Yeah. Minus 3.
Very good.
Minus 2. 2, 5.
What is the
Plus,
symbol?
minus, plus, minus.
In this case, anyone is which one is the excluded, which one is the included?
All are excluded, sir.
Yeah, good. Yeah, because strictly less than. More than 5. What is your answer? More than 5 means question is this is the question.
Plus.
Plus 2 to 3, 2 to 5. Take x is equal to 3.
Minus.
X is equal to 3 means negative is coming. Next, put x is equal to 0.
Positive.
Negative, positive, positive, negative. So negative, negative, positive is coming. Minus, plus like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the graph is coming? Upwards, downwards,
Downward.
upwards, downwards, upwards. Less than 0 means in this case, which region you have to take?
Negative regions. Minus 3 to minus 2, 2 to 5.
Yeah, excellent. That means x belongs to open interval.
Minus 3, minus 2, union 2, 5. Yeah.
What about this case?
X plus 9, x minus 9.
X plus 3 into x minus 3.
Sorry, sir.
Factorize down.
X plus 1 by x plus 3. X plus 3, x plus 3 cancel.
Cancel. That means for your x cannot be minus 3.
Minus.
Yeah, take the number line.
Yeah.
What are the
3
zeros?
minus 1. 3 minus 1. And both are included.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 and
Both are
included.
that means this is the reason. What the reason is more than 3 means what is your answer?
Plus. Plus.
Okay. Then
Upward, downward, and upward.
what
So
they
is less than or equal to 0. So minus 1 to 3. That negative portion.
what to here? X belongs to what?
X belongs to including brackets minus 1 to 3.
Minus 1 comma 3. That is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Same question if greater than 0, suppose if they are giving. See, same question I'm giving. Example. Same question. X square minus 9 into x plus 1 by greater than 0. What is your answer? Greater than 0 means which region you have to take? This is the region. See?
Plus regions.
What is the answer? Minus infinity
X
to
minus infinity to minus 1 union 3 to infinity.
Wait, minus 1 means
that is including brackets, sir. No, excluding brackets only.
Union.
3 to infinity.
But if you're writing like this only, your answer is wrong. Students are doing silly mistakes here only. Why? Because in this case, we should subtract minus 3 value. Why? Because in this case, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 means what? Include minus 3 is also included now. But in this case, x is equal to minus 3 means undefined now. We should remove that number.
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning. That's why I'm giving this example. Excellent model is one. Getting this one?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason. So I'm giving some models. You can practice yourself. DPP question. Solve. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than less than 0. X square minus 4 by x square minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Fourth one, third one. X square into x minus 3 into x plus 1 by fourth one is variety question. See carefully. By x greater than 0. So you can try this. You can try yourself.